The answer to this question is 4x and 4 negative x sticks. Let's find out why. You are asked to factor 6x squared plus 11x minus 10 and represent it with math tiles. What additional tiles do you need to represent the total area of the two factors? So you see that 6x squared is here. There's 6x squareds, positive, 11x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 11 positive x's. Each stick represents x, whereas each white square represents x squared. Negative 10, these are individual units which represents negative 1 each. There's 10 of these. Now the question is, what additional, the keyword is additional tiles do we need? We're talking about area and factors. So the key idea here is to generate this trinomial, we're gonna figure out the factors and we're gonna generate the area using algebra tiles. So this question can be time consuming, but the key is to step one is to factor. So we'll assume that you know how to factor. So if you factor properly, you get, this becomes 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 5. Once you know how to factor, you should be able to build up this nice algebra tile representation of area. 3x minus 2. So we have, doesn't really matter which way you go, you can go switch the sides, but I'm going to put my 3x this way. Minus 2 is going to be black, and whereas 2x, we'll just put it on this side. This is positive 2x plus 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have the factors, 3x minus 2 this way, and we have 2x plus 5 this way, and we simply figure out the area. So let's build up this area here. We have x times x is x squared, so we fill up these with a bunch of x squares, and then we have x times 1 is x, so we have a bunch of sticks, and similarly we have a bunch of sticks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another positive x times 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a bunch of positive sticks, and we have x times negative 1 becomes a negative stick, so I better make this dark. X times negative 1 becomes a negative stick, and we repeat this. We have 1 times negative 1 is negative 1, so we have a bunch of black dots here just because a positive times a negative should be negative. So the key is, when you look at the original pieces we have, this is our nice Pokemon set, but we're missing some cards. How do we complete the set? How do we go from here to here? We need some additional tiles. Now we already have all these big x squares. You can see there's 6 of them. We have 6 of them here already, so we require no additional tiles. However, here we have 11. This is 5 plus 6 is 11. Whereas here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3 is 15. We went from 11 to 15, so we're gonna need 4 more. We're gonna need 4 more positive x's, tiles. These are tiles we need. We need 4 more of these. Now what about these negative sticks? We have none to begin with. So to represent the total area, we need to actually need 4 more negative sticks. So we need 4 of these, and we need 4 of the negative sticks as well. So we need 4 of these. Now how about the unit pieces here? We have originally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 10 of these, negative 10s. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We already have all 10, so we no longer require any negative 1 algebra tiles. So that's it. What additional tiles do we need? We need 4 of each of these positive and negative x's.